Hello everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to play Mecha Chameleon with a controller on PC. No worries, this guide will be a very easy and quick guide. So the first thing what we do is go on Steam, open up your Steam, and on your Steam, go ahead and click on Library right over here. On Library, go ahead and locate your Mecha Chameleon game and right click on it. Once you do that, go ahead and go to Properties. Over here, just go ahead and click on Controller. On the override for Mecha Chameleon, make sure you use default settings. In this way, the default settings will be connected to your Steam app rather than the settings for the game itself. So go ahead and close this window, and the next step is by going on the Steam icon on the top left. Go ahead and click on it, and then go ahead and click on settings. Over here, just go ahead and scroll down on the Steam settings until you find the controller section, and then click on show advanced settings. Once done, go ahead and make sure that you are currently enabled in games without support if you are using a PlayStation controller. And if you are using an Xbox controller, go ahead and install the Xbox Extended Future Support driver. And if you are using a generic controller, if you are not using any PS4 or any PlayStation or Xbox controller, go ahead and enable Steam input for generic controllers. Once done, go ahead and try the Mecha Chameleon on your Steam. You should now be able to enjoy your Mecha Chameleon game with a controller. If this video helped you, please don't forget to leave a like. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.